These are solo in the group called Kiss of Life. I knew Natty from 16, if I'm not mistaken. Without further ado, in 3, 2, 1, let's check out Natty's solo Sugarcoat. Oh, she gonna practice or busk in the alley? Cause she's from the streets.
Yes, queen.
Okay. Hold up. How old is Natty right now? We need to do it. Listen, I'm an old bitch. I'm an OG. We need a double check. Hold up, Natty. Oh, why he running? Hold up. Why he running like that? He is late. Look at this man.
Why are you running?
Is this an extra or is this real life? Oh, sorry. Yeah, for some reason that it had to play that part again. I like the way she's hitting it. Oh. Oh, she's actually busking. I know a couple of my friends were busking at Anime Expo too. Ooh, okay. Hey. Oh, get it. Hey. Ooh. Oh, she killing that. Okay. Yes, Miss Bell. Hey. Damn. She dancing with no mirror. Freestyle. Well. Oh, is that one of the members behind it? Or no? Ooh. Oh, her hat says faith. Dang, that was a big burger, no? Oh, she eating. That, damn, she made that shit look good. I don't even know what kind of sandwich it is. Dang, she a clean eater too? Eating clean. Hey, she crumbled it for everybody else not to get a chance. Oh shit. Hey, racism. What the fuck was this? What? Old ass man, don't be touching her. The fuck? Oh shit, I forgot old people. Is it wrong? Now sometimes I laugh. Nah, that's wrong. The way that old people fall sometimes, it's like in slow-mo sometimes. And I'm sorry. Hey, run! That old man was weird. Aw, poor thing. Dang. That fall was so long, right? Hold up, chat. Let me go back. First of all. Yeah, push it. Fuck out of here. God dang. I love the beat a lot, especially with her voice. Dancing's crazy too. Okay, why the fireworks? I mean, it's almost July 4th. Oh. Oh, and it's all gonna... Oh, Betty Boop. Okay, cute. Okay, we got the high ponytail. Yes, Miss Ma'am. You about to slay. Get it. Get it. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. Twirl it. What? Obviously, these are all gonna connect because the other members have solos, from what I know. Yeah, take that deep breaths. Go out there. Damn, them creaky ass stairs. Those are the type of stairs that are in horror films. Oh, they have Belle. Damn, she running out there. Bah! Oh, yo, you saw that? Look at her. She gazelle, like she. Whoa! Look at that. Look at that jump. Bah! Dang! That's at least 2 feet off the air. At least, if we count from the butt, maybe 3 feet. Dang, she went out hard. Okay. I was editing my like all the solos from Kiss of Life and Debut finally, and I realized I lost the footage of Belle's solo called Countdown, so we're rewatching it. It's been a minute, so I would love a reminder. So this is a reaction. But yeah, this is Belle, Kiss of Life. Let's get it. Let's go. Bye. Let's go all the way back. So it starts off. I remember this now. Like it starts off as like, it seems like it's a happy, like family, interracial family actually. Got white daddy, Korean mother. I remember. She doesn't want to be a ballerina or like commit to ballet. And she, I guess it's the mom pushing her passion onto to her. Bring the beat back. Like F the diet, eat all the candies. Unless she's like stress eating actually. To be honest, the ballet like scene is kind of toxic. It's really toxic as F too, I heard. Hey. She just wants to have fun, to be honest. Real talk. I want some candy, me too. Lock their door. What's that? Oh, she has a spare key. Ugh, boundaries, Miss Ma'am. Boundaries. Oh, I remember this. She has a good scream. She has a...
Leave me alone! This is what I am. Why should I have to be a perfect daughter? Why can't you just accept me?
Oh, that's sad. That is so sad. I think I said the same thing in the first time. Damn. She really went in there actually. Oh, the makeup. She's done. She's running away. Oh, but she's gonna be gone before, no? If I remember correctly. Oh. Oh, girl. Damn, that's a bit rough, no? You get out of there. Whoa, put shoes on first, but I guess he didn't have time for that. I didn't know it was... Damn, I thought there was more to it. I guess it's a continuation to like the next... That's what I remember. By the way, this is future Dre. The other Dre's that you've been seeing, that was past Dre. Again, reaction. And then the fireworks again. From what I saw from Nati's when I was editing that. Okay, well, damn. She just wants to be accepted, bruh. This part right here, though. Who cares if I mean, yeah, like ballet, you do have to diet as well and be like hella skinty. But she just wants to live life, bro. Bro, she looks so appalled. Like, oh my god, my daughter's eating candy. What? Shut up. It's not even that bad. It's a bit messy in there, I'm not gonna lie. Damn. The Kiss of Life poster and gets ripped. Oh my god. God damn, that scream though. She didn't have to rip up the poster though, real talk. That is so sad.
Leave me alone. This is what I am.
That's what she is.
Why should I have to be a perfect daughter?
What did she say? She says, what does she have to be, a something daughter?
Why should I have to be a perfect daughter?
A perfect daughter. Ah.
Why can't you just accept me? You just get your head up.
That's sad because that happens in today. And, you know, I don't know, man. So let her be a teen. I know it's a scary world and shit, but you're just gonna push her. You're gonna push her away. Basically, that's what happens, no? I understand being protective and stuff and knowing what your children want, blah blah. But do you really know your children, right? Damn, they're a rich family. They got a Ferrari. Shit. Damn, but this right here? Oh, hell no. We swinging. I don't care. Swing. It's like the opposite to them. Ooh, vocals. Let's go. Sorry, I'm listening to the song too. But the music video is so well done. Or like, it's such a heavy topic. Damn. Well, this was a reaction. I don't know what I did with the footage of my first reaction, but had to check it out again and get a good reminder of Belle's solo countdown. Yeah. Wait. Oh, rated 19. Okay, so now Kiss of Life is a girl group, but before they debuted their official song, it seems like they did solos to tell their backstory, which led them to I guess all the solos share their backstory to which led them to them becoming a group. Oh snap! Rated 19. It is rated 19. What is rated 19 about this? First of all, what does this mean? What does rated 19 mean? This is Julie though. Julie. This is called Kitty Cat. Oh gosh, it's an American party. Most of us are adults here, but you never know. There's some youngins here too. You never know.
Everybody say ooh. Everybody say yeah.
Yeah.
My name.
Julie.
Like this. Someone call me weak. Someone call me free.
Whoa.
Someone set the beat.
Okay, Julie. Hey. Okay, she in that house party. Bro, why do I see I feel like I've seen this jacket before somewhere in K-Town. like some type of drinking spot. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Oh no, they're fighting. Oh, she moving on. Okay, her makeup's on point. She got her bottle. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, she's just living her life. Let her dance. Oh. Okay. Oh, chitty chatty mouth. Damn. Well, the queen of the night just passed out. Girl, you good? Oh, second. Oh, what? Whoa, what the heck? Damn, that's so nice of them. Like, you know, she tipsy and all, so it's kind of hard to walk, you know, in boots and stuff. So you got some good friends. They carried your ass outside. Yeah, that's nice. I don't know. Actually, I don't know what's happening here. Oh shit, what's about to go down?
Stop!
Whoa.
Looking at me! Stop!
Oh, what just happened? Social anxiety, basically. I don't know. That was interesting. That's not. Wait. She goes to the bed. She's definitely drunk. Oh. Did she? Wait. Oh. I think maybe I know what's happening right now. Damn, there's some acting in these music videos.
Stop looking at me! All I know is me and I.
Okay. Oh, okay, y'all drunk. Where is this actually? Is this New York? No, that's not New York. Hey.
We just go, we just ride,
Okay.
we just
Just
go, we just vibe, we just go, we just ride, we just go.
A random swamp. Okay, they just living life.
We just
Trying, you know, have fun.
we just vibe,
Doing what they
we just go, we just ride. 길은 모르지만 go. 마치 kitty cat 미묘함에 숨긴 vibe 없다고 하면 kick
Oh.
세울지 몰라. Shush baby with chitty chatty mouth. Watch yourself for this queen for the night.
Okay, they definitely like each other, of course. Hey, what's popping out? Is she gonna like dance? Okay, hey. I guess there was a banner for auditions, yeah. Ah, interesting. Hanul Solo. Did I say Hanul? Okay. So she's the youngest one. Kiss of Life, play love games. Hanul Solo. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play love. She is the youngest one of the group, of the 4-girl group. Aw, she's actually. Let's see what she's doing. What does this sound like? Na, 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 na. Backstreet Boys, BTS, I see. Oh. Got a little bass in there. Oh no, not blurry. Excuse me. Is she like in an art store or something? Oh, it's just regular school. Whoa, what's she? What happened? She wants to get her numbers up? What's on? Take me out to the ball game. That's right. Oh wait, what happened? I keep pushing and pulling.
What are you doing?
Huh.
Oh, it's dinner.
Uh-oh, dinner time. That was like her father. Oh, she got popular? I guess our video went viral. Oh, what's she gonna do now? I'm so invested in this storyline. Okay, obviously everybody knows. And they some fake ass. You can't just be like, oh my god, I love you. Or unless something bad's gonna happen. Hope this is gonna end well. Why is there graffiti all over the place? I don't know. I don't trust any of them. I'm scared. Don't hurt. I mean, she did. Wait, hold on. Did girlie just ask you to follow? Oh, okay. Okay. I thought homegirl was asking like, can you follow me back? Oh. Well, okay. She's getting the attention that she wanted, right? Like through like social media and dancing. And I guess it caught on too. Oh, is he gonna introduce her to the audition? Why is this so awkward? Go talk to him. Go. He's. Hi. Let's check out Kiss of Life by My Neverland. This is a B-side of theirs. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Ooh, okay, stairs. Oh, is this like... Oh, from Natty. Oh, she jumps. Oh, audition time. I see. Oh, it's all connecting. Interesting. Oh, they passed each other. Okay. Oh, she's not wearing shoes. Aww. Belle. In this Hanoi. Oh, okay, Natty. This is cool. I burned my Neverland. It's called Neverland. By my Neverland. Okay. Run over the clock. I like how they pass it. They pass each other, and they don't even know. It's like you're right there, and y'all in the group. What the hell? Oh, somebody was there too, right? Ah, that's cool. I like how they all connect. What's it called? It's not the Dusty Night. I burned my Neverland. I don't know why that lyric itself sticks out to me. You said that was the time of her life, Julie. Oh, and then Natty is like, Fireworks. That's right. This is Hanul, right? Okay. She's giving it all. Oh no, she messed up. She messed up. Oh no, oh no. I thought that was on purpose. Nah, you good, you good. Don't feel too bad. Just keep on going. Aw, nah. Aw, she's embarrassed. No, you got this. You kill it. Oh, she got a Betty Boop. Oh! I was reading chat and then she gets hit? What the fuck? I was reading the chat for a sec. That's how they meet? Through a car crash? Julie fucking, was that Julie? Fucking ran over Natty? Are they gonna go into choreography? I'm stupid. Are you good? Nah, nah, no. You're not gonna say it? No one's gonna say shit. Okay, wow. We just gonna stare. Nah, yeah, no offer of help. Oh, girly. Girl, you gotta do something. You don't want to. What are we gonna do from here? Oh shit, I'm invested. What the hell? Dang, they got it messed up. I was about to read that and I just hear. Dang. Okay, alright. Well, the next one is gonna be the title track, right? Kids of Life. Shh. Title track. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh. Who is that? Oh, so they're living together, right? Or like the roommates? Oh, okay, love interest. Aww. Aww. That's cute. What? Talk that shit? Oh, they're giving the whole makeup montage, beauty montage, as in like in those like movies, those rom-com movies. She looked good before. I mean, wait, hold on. Wait. We're not gonna talk about like how she got hit. Wait. So we just giving her a place to stay, basically. Wait, what? Just like this, on your lips. That was a weird shot. Like this. Wait, so they live with each other now? Wait, hold up. Hello? What? I'm trying to keep up. Hey, can you feel me now? I'm trying to figure this out all together. Okay, she's having her little like fun date, but the three of them are together in the same house, and then she sees her bruise. I'm just looking for she's having her croissant too, Belle. This is cute. This is very cute. Then they give her a beauty makeover, I guess. Kinda like just accessorize. Then she sees the audition. Okay. Oh, and they all come to the same place. They're all roller skating. They see the girl. Wait, what happened? Oh. Yeah, she's not ready for that, my boy. She's not ready for that. Wait, does he come inside the bathroom too? What? Ew. Yeah, the fuck you doing there in the fucking girls' room, you trash ass? Oh, I'm glad they stood up for her. That's cute. I like that. That's good. That's good. That boy need to just learn, read the room, my boy. Ooh, okay, vocals. Aww. They're like besties. Ain't that the same car that she got run over with? Hold up.
Yeah, I really want what I love, I can get enough. It's like you're so special. One thing I know about you. 나만 알고 있으면 된 거야.
I guess they made up. I mean, I guess they friends. Like, I guess they all found each other at the right time. Doing her nails in a car?
Get up, get up. I'll wake you up, up, up. Talk that shit.
Okay.
On your lips.
My breath on your lips.
It's so sweet.
Okay.
Just like this.
Yeah, what kind of gas station gets these accessories? I want. Oh wait, where's she going? Oh, that's my heart. Oh, what happened? Aww. Oh, the poster she got ripped up was the Kiss of Life poster. Oh, okay, another car dance. Oh, they're all dancing in front of the car. Ooh, okay, vocals. That was nice. We come back. Oh, okay. Hey, hey, hey. Hey! You know, something as simple as just dancing with your friends is such healing. Just acting a fool with your friends. Okay. Oh, where are they going? Oh. Okay. Oh, she's going back to the auditions, right?
Thank you. Next.
Oh shit. Oh, how's it gonna end? Oh, it's all of them! Ah, gang! It's all of them! Kiss of life. Ah, I see. That's pretty fire. Okay, okay, kiss of life. Hey. Ooh. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, it's kind of like the Spice Girls. I know, Hanul kind of reminds me of like Baby Spicers right now. With the, like, the blue, like the puffs on their pigtails. Ooh, the vocals nice. Very curious. Very curious to see what's next for them.
I'll wake you up, 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 up. Talk that shit. Listen on your lips.
The credits though. It's during the credits. It's kind of fire. Like that's how they started in the beginning of the music video, right? Talk that shit. Ooh, hey, hey. This feels like I just watched a TV show of like 4 girls that want to be a part of a group, but ended up getting that dream. It feels like, oh, I don't want to say like, not like Disney show, maybe Nickelodeon show, not like that either. Just because it showed the backstory, so it's kind of like a different connection. Hey, hey! Better get yours! Hey, 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 hey! That's fire. The pink hat. I'm living to the pink hat. Oh, Belle's outfit's cool too. Ooh, okay. Kiss of Life. Definitely interesting. I mean, it definitely put me through a ride, especially with their backstories and everything. Let's go. That was pretty fire. Let's go. Kiss of Life. Pretty good, pretty good.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.